Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Bluetooth connection handling in React Native, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Bluetooth connection handling in React Native, first, ensure you have a React Native project set up. Open your project in your preferred code editor. Begin by installing the necessary Bluetooth libraries. You can use the popular package known as React Native Bluetooth State Manager. Run the command npm install React Native Bluetooth State Manager in your terminal. Next, link the library to your project. For React Native versions 0.60 and above, linking is automatic. Now, navigate to the file where you want to implement Bluetooth functionality. Import the Bluetooth library at the top of your file. Use the statement import Bluetooth state from React Native Bluetooth State Manager. Next, set up state management for Bluetooth status in your component. Use the useState hook to create a state variable named Bluetooth enabled. Create an effect using the useEffect hook to check the Bluetooth status when the component mounts. Log the Bluetooth state to the console for troubleshooting. Now, implement a function to request enabling Bluetooth if it's disabled. Use the Bluetooth state.requestEnable method to prompt the user. Make sure to handle the promise returned by the requestEnable method. If Bluetooth is enabled, update the Bluetooth enabled state variable accordingly. Next, create an event handler to connect to a Bluetooth device. You can define this function inside your component. Use the necessary Bluetooth libraries for device discovery. Search for available Bluetooth devices using the appropriate method provided by the library. Once the devices are listed, let users select which one to connect to. Upon selecting a device, call the device's connect method. Handle any errors that may arise during the connection attempt. If the connection is successful, update the UI to reflect the connection status. Finally, make sure to clean up any subscriptions in your effect when the component unmounts. Run your application to test the new Bluetooth functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.